Hey everybody, it's Holly and welcome back to our channel. Now, this is going to be a new series about college essentials for going to college. With Savannah going to college this year as a freshman, most of the college videos are all with the college students, right? But who is paying for a lot of this stuff? A lot of times it's the parents. So a lot of us moms are either working together with the college student and picking everything out. Some moms are doing it all on their own and picking out everything while their student kind of chills for the summer. And other ones, the student's picking everything out. So I wanted to talk mom to mom and show you what we got for Savannah for her upcoming freshman year. And each video is going to highlight one of the things that we got. So if you're just watching this video, check out our channel for more videos that we might have already put up. So the first thing we're talking about today is how are you gonna pack the stuff to get there? This is what you want. Now, these are like viral, most popular bags that all the college students use. You used to be able to get them only at IKEA. These were like IKEA bags. They're large storage travel bags. And now Amazon has them, of course they do. And I've heard that IKEA doesn't have them. So it just depends on if you have an IKEA near you, but I got them on Amazon. They're called, I will link in the description below. I think they're called Vino extra large storage bags. This is how they come, all folded down. They're beautiful. And the brilliant thing about these bags is they hold a ton of stuff, but they fold down so the child can keep these in their dorm room. So when it's time to pack up in the spring, they already have their bag. So you're not worrying about boxes and suitcases and all of those things that take up too much room or that you have to take back out of the dorm room. These you fold back down, you put them under the bed, you store them, and then when they come home for breaks, they bring a bag. So these are heavy duty bags. They zip closed. They come in different colors. I chose the blue ones. They have these heavy duty handles and they fit a ton of stuff. See here, I got an 8-pack. They're about $5 a piece. Like I said, totally worth it. Better than storage boxes, moving boxes. I mean, those are just gonna be bulky and then what are you gonna do with them, right? So I got an 8-pack. That's about as much as I think we're gonna use. We're gonna use about 8. Some people use 10, some people use 6. They come in all kinds of different packs, about $5 a piece. So the 8-pack was about $40, $41. So in this one, and it makes packing for that moving in really, really organized because like this one, I have all of her towels and her sheets all in one bag. So I know when we get in there, this is gonna be just the towels and sheets. Then we're gonna put summer clothes in one. Then we're probably gonna put shorts in another. And the entire thing zips closed. And once you have it packed full, they'll stack on top of each other. So when you're getting to move in and you only have 30 minutes to get the stuff out of the car and onto the sidewalk, these you can throw out. They protect what's inside. They're easy to carry and they fold down. I'm telling you, if your child does not have them, they will probably be the only ones. So I'm gonna link these in the description below. This is what you're gonna want to pack all of the things, well, all of the smaller things, you're not gonna put a headboard in these, for your child to go to school. And you're gonna use these year after year, all 4 years, so save them. They are not disposable. These are reusable, heavy duty bags. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to watch our other videos and I will share more things on what we are sending with Savannah to college. See you next time. Bye.